Take a look at this pair of eyes. All you have to do is follow my simple instructions. Ready? Stare directly into her eyes. Easy enough, right? Good. Now look at the left edge of your screen. Now look at the right edge of your screen. So did you look where we told you to? Or did you find yourself looking in the direction she was looking, the exact opposite of our instructions?
So what's going on here? Why is it so hard to resist following another person's eyes?
Looking where someone else is looking is called the Deictic gaze. Humans, dogs, and some other animals use it to draw attention to a particular object. This was helpful when hunters wanted to point out prey to others without calling attention to themselves. It's also a way of looking out for danger because whatever they're looking at might also be coming for you. And as you'll see in our next game, it's important to stay alert.
Pay attention. For this next game, we're going to flash an image on screen for 3 seconds. Afterwards, we're going to ask you a few simple questions about what you saw. Ready?
Okay, let's see if you were paying attention. What tool was the man looking at? Easy, right? The hammer. And do you remember what color the hammer was? If you said red, good job. You've got keen eyes. And what was the man's reaction to the hammer? Did you say he was smiling? Correct. But can you name the other 5 tools in the picture? Chances are you can't. You might remember 1 or 2 other tools, but there's a good chance you focused primarily on the hammer. But why? It's because the man was looking at the hammer, so your eyes instinctively went there too. And most likely, after seeing the hammer, you looked back at the man to see what he thought of the hammer, taking in his facial expressions and body language. In other words, because the man only seemed interested in the hammer, you were too. Following a person's gaze can help identify what they're thinking or feeling, allowing you to predict how they might react in the near future. Babies as young as 6 months old can do this because it's a reflexive action your brain is hardwired to do. Information taken in by your retina is passed along to different parts of your brain that control attention. Eventually, the information winds up in your amygdala, your brain's danger detector, which determines if what you're seeing is a threat or not.